Here's how to use your mouse with your Android phone. I'm going to show you how to use full wireless mouse, and I'm also going to show you how to use a wireless mouse with a Bluetooth receiver. This also works if you're using a wired mouse. Now, first thing you want to do, if you're using a full wireless mouse, you want to turn on the wireless mouse and you want to make sure that the Bluetooth is searchable. So on some device, you have to hold the Bluetooth for a very long time for it to start beeping for you to search. The next thing you need to do is on your Android phone, drag down from the notification section. You want to tap on Bluetooth. Turn on the Bluetooth and then tap on Pair New Device. Here you should see the Bluetooth device that are currently searchable. Tap on the Bluetooth device and tap on Pair. And with that, the mouse will be connected to your Android phone. You can go ahead and use the mouse on your Android phone. Now, if you're using a mouse with a receiver, you're going to be needing an adapter for that. If your phone supports Type-C ports, you need a Type-C to USB adapter. And if you're using a micro USB on your Android phone, you need a micro USB to USB adapter. Carry the receiver and connect it to the USB section of the USB to Type-C, and then connect it to your Android phone in the charging section. Turn on the wireless mouse, then it will be connected automatically to your phone. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, like and subscribe for more tips.